How to copy a section to another page in Squarespace. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. Now it is actually going to be very simple and easy to do because Squarespace does actually offer an option to copy or save sections as they are exactly, and you can just go ahead and copy them to another page, and you'll be able to basically feel free to edit them however you like as well. So let's just go ahead and get started by creating an actual section, and then let's just go ahead and copy it to another page. So to create a section, obviously you just want to click on add section. Let's just go ahead and add it to the footer here or above it. And we can just go ahead and go a little bit creative with it. So I'm just going to go with this section. And you can obviously feel free to add whatever you want in that section. So you can, change however you want it to be. You can add a few blocks here. So let's just go ahead and add some text in the middle here. And let's just go ahead and type in some random letters, just so we can demonstrate that it is actually going to be the same for all sections, even after we save it. Now that we have this, we can also try to make it a little bit smaller. It's way too big here. So we can just go ahead and change this. That's the actual image I changed the size of. So we can just go ahead and drag this up like that. And we're pretty much good to go. So now that we have a section here, and also the text is going to stay the same. But to make it so that we copy this section to another page, all we need to do is just go ahead and click on that specific section. And then from here, you will find these options here for the actual section. So view layouts, edit section, duplicate, or save section. Now, the one that we actually want to move to another page is save section. Duplicating the section is just going to allow you to just put it right underneath it, so you have double of the same section. So we don't really want this one. So just go ahead and save the actual section. And if you have a section that does not have the heart icon and you can't really click on this, that means that it is pretty much already saved. So now that we already saved this section, let's also save this one, just so we can demonstrate that. Click on save on the top left and exit. Now, once we exit, we just want to go to the other page that we want to paste those sections in. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a blank page and not linked, and name it something like test for sections. Okay, so once we create our page here, all we need to do is really just click on the page itself and then click on edit on the top left. And then from here, we just want to click on add section. Now, here's the most important part of the video, is that we will have these templates to choose from, but the ones that we want to look for is within the saved sections. So click on saved sections and you should find all the sections that you have saved. So you have this one and this one as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and add this one real quick. And you can see we have exactly the same section that we had previously with the same text, same random text here. And obviously what's very important here is that we can completely adjust the text here. So this is a body of text without having to worry about it changing on the other side of things. So if we just click on save, we're pretty much good to go. And we can just go back to the home page. Not this, we can just go back to the home page. And we can see that there's no changes being made to this one. So this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.